When it comes to tire rotations, you may feel pretty nonchalant about it. You may have free tire rotations for life after a customer purchases a set of tires, for example, but it's important not to sell your shop short when it comes to this process. In this video, let's discuss tire rotations and some things you may not think about when it comes to the process. First things first, when it comes to tire rotations, different size tires in the front and rear can be an issue. While this may be semi-exclusive to exotic vehicles, keeping this in mind is still important and requires special care. Porsche 911s and Boxsters, Lotus, some Mercedes-Benz models, and the Corvette are among the manufacturers with different sizes of front and rear tires and wheels. If the size difference is the case, this eliminates your shop's ability to cross-rotate or do same-side front-to-rear rotation. In some cases, rotation isn't an option. That means if there's wear, a tire replacement may be needed. What about asymmetrical tires with a tread pattern that changes across the face of the tire? Yes, these tires are distinctive in appearance, but a busy day in the shop could result in rotating asymmetric tires the wrong way. Remember to take a close look at the sidewall before rotating asymmetrical tires. These tires are not directional, so they could be cross-rotated in the traditional X pattern, so make sure you follow the sidewall instructions. There is really only one reason for rotating tires. Front and rear tires wear differently. Why is this? Well, because there are different types of suspension systems. Improper alignment can happen, and weight distribution and drive wheels can be different. Remember, every suspension system has a unique camber and toe change designed specifically for that particular vehicle. Some suspensions are designed with an emphasis on handling, others on ride. An improperly aligned vehicle driven for too long will result in excessive shoulder wear, camber, and tread element feathering, toe. When your customers don't check inflation pressures and operate misaligned vehicles too long, it's too late for a tire rotation to make any major fixes. The best and only way for your customers to get maximum tire life and the best possible ride is to inspect their tires regularly and rotate them at least every 6,000 miles. You can help your customers by looking for these culprits during general service appointments. If you find an issue, correct those misalignment and inflation problems immediately. A little preventative maintenance like this will go a long way towards your customer satisfaction with your shop. For more tire and service videos, don't forget to follow us on Instagram, Facebook, and subscribe to our YouTube channel. I'm Christian Hinton, coming to you from the Tire Review Continental Tire Garage Studio at Babcox Media. See you next time. Thanks for watching.